Hey there, and welcome to the Financial Spotlight. This is Chantrell here to give you a new side hustle, new to you, but something that I've done before that will help you add some money to your pockets. So let's go ahead and jump in. The company is called Humanatic, and with this company, I did this for maybe a couple of months. And for me, it wasn't the right thing for me, only because I really can't stand um customer service. I realized that I can't only not take phone calls, but I also don't want to listen to them. So I think it gives me like issues from when I used to work for a phone company and was on the phone for hours at a time. So anyway, that's enough about me. So this company is pretty cool because basically you get paid to review calls, as it states here, and you listen to a recorded phone call, answer a simple question with the click of a button, and then earn money. And I'm just telling you guys, this is a legitimate company. There's no sign up fee. There's no, you don't have to pay to join it or anything like that. It definitely is a legitimate company and they pay you through your PayPal. So that works really well. And have this is basically telling you a little bit about the company. It says, have you ever called a company and heard the operator say this call is being recorded? Well, that's us. So they help their clients review their calls. Then they provide them with analytical reports, and valuable data helps improve customer service and sales. So for you, why you should join this company is for the freedom. Now, what I can tell you is yes, the pay is only like $4.50 per hour. So a lot of people noticed that and were like, $4.50. But let me just tell you, this is a game changer mainly because you're able to schedule yourself. So you can work all the time if you want to, and make that $4.50 an hour, or you can work only a couple of hours a day and make the $4.50 an hour. For me, I chose, because I had a couple of things going on all at the same time, I chose to work 2 hours a day out of my day. That's $9 a day. And then I did it every single day for the entire month. So 9 times 30 is $270. So I basically had 270 extra dollars every month for just taking 2 hours out of my day and doing this. So honestly, it's something that it's based on you. It's kind of like the task-based jobs that I talked about a couple of months ago. Um, it's kind of like that. So it's based on you and what you decide and how much you want to work. They have so many people doing this. And let's see. They'll never charge you anything. They pay you weekly. That's the other great thing. They pay you weekly, and like I said, it's through a PayPal. And first, you will need to provide your PayPal account. If you don't have PayPal, they give you the link to set up the PayPal account. I mean, PayPal setting up is very easy. And then you sign up for the company and to work for them. So let's go up to the paper where the part where it says sign up for free, so we can look at what they're requiring you to do. So to begin registration process, please click the Connect with PayPal button below. You will be taken to paypal.com to log in, confirm that you have a verified account. If you do not have a PayPal account, then you'll need to create one. That's what it says here. So you would just, like it says, log in to PayPal, link all of that up, and then join the team. And as you go in there, let's look at some of the frequently asked questions. So, answers to some of the commonly asked questions. How do I apply? Is it free? Okay. And let's just look at those basics. So, we already talked about what they are. So, you can read there. And then let's go back to where it says, how do I apply? They already talked about setting up your PayPal and then linking that. Is it free? And this is what I was talking about. It's free to sign up. This is also free. If someone tries to charge you to work for this company, do not pay them because it is a scam. Am I required to review calls during certain hours? So the answer is no. You can log in and review as little or as much as you like at times that best suit you. However, call availability will vary depending on the time of day. The largest volume of calls available during the hours of 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just make sure that you remember that time frame, because say you want to log in at 10 p.m. like right now. There's probably not anything available because that's not their main time frame. So you want to make sure that you're doing this in your best interest. It's what's going to work for you, but also is going to benefit you. And then the last thing, can I have more than one account? I don't know the answer to that. Let's read that. Operation or maintenance of more than one account is strictly prohibited because of the negative impact it can have on data collection processes. So, no, they don't want you to have more than one account. Okay, so this is the information about Humanadic. It is a great company to work for, more like a side hustle, not necessarily, a regular position. And if you want to sign up for them, I would go ahead and click the link that I have in my description box, sign up, and get your PayPal going if you don't already have it. And this is a great way, like I said, to make a little bit of extra cash on the side. I hope that this has helped you. Go ahead and hit like and share this information with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this side hustle. Have a great one. Thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. Bye.